Hello, second grade. This is Module 8, Lesson 1. I'm going to give you an amount of ones. I want you to tell me how many tens and ones there are. Okay, let's start off with 10 ones. You say 1 tens? Good job. How about 30 ones? 3 tens. Good. How about 41 ones? 4 tens, 1 ones. About 54 ones. 5 tens, 4 ones. How about 100 ones? Should have said 10 tens. Alright, we're going to be talking about shapes here. And we're going to be determining their attributes. Their attributes are what makes the shape look the way it is. So we're going to be talking about sides and angles. So first, let's determine how many sides this shape has. A side is a straight line here, and we're going to count out how many different sides this shape has. So there's 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides. So this shape has 3 sides. Now we need to figure out how many angles. An angle is like a corner of a shape. So we can find an angle right here. Angles can be big or they can be small. This angle is a smaller angle here. So let's determine how many sides how many angles or how many corners this shape has. So there's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 angles in this shape. I want you to draw your own 3-sided and 3-angle shape on a piece of paper or on your whiteboard. Push pause and then push play when you're done drawing. Here's a chart of what your shape could have looked like. As you can see, some angles are big, as like this one, and some are small, like this one. Here are different ways you could have drawn your 3-sided, 3-angled shape. Here's another shape here. Let's determine how many sides and angles it has. Let's count up the sides first. Remember, the sides are the straight line there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So let's write down 4. Now let's find out how many angles there are. Remember, the angles are the corners, like this one here. So let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this shape has 4 angles. Can you draw your own 4-sided, 4-angled shape? Here are some examples of what your 4-sided, 4-angled shape could have looked like. And here's our next shape. We're going to count the sides and angles of this shape now. Remember, the sides are these straight lines here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sides. And there are, let's count the angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 angles. Go ahead and draw your own 5-sided and 5-angled shape. Push pause and then push play when you're done drawing. Here are some examples of what your five-sided or five-angled shape could have looked like. We've got another shape here. Go ahead and count how many sides and angles there are on your own, and then we'll compare answers. All right, let's do this together now. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. Is that what you got? If you did, give yourself a kiss on the brain. Go ahead and draw your own. I know it says five-sided, 5 angles. Go ahead and draw your own six-sided, 6-angled shape. All right, here's some examples of what your shape could have looked like. Now it is your turn. You're going to get on to Seesaw and do your exit ticket. Good luck.